Hey everybody, it's Ben here. I am at Fully Charged Live. It is Saturday morning, a little bit before the show opens. I wanted to knock a few things out because it sounds like it's going to be crazy busy here. Apparently they sold 4,000 tickets, that's capacity, they're sold out, and this isn't a huge area, so it's gonna get crazy here. I did already shoot a video interview with Robert Powell about his home-built electric motorcycle and cool electric bicycle that he has. I met up with some great people from the Electric Auto Association last night for dinner, and also yesterday afternoon we kind of snuck in here a little early, just get the lay of the land. Also it was kind of funny because I saw the EV1, they were actually out on a little section of track over here, and it was at a distance, but it sure looked like it was Chelsea Sexton behind the wheel, and the car was not even powered up. In fact, it was being pushed by one gal, and they were filming it. So if on the Fully Charged channel, for example, you see a really cool slow-mo shot of Chelsea driving the dark green EV1, keep in mind that that's movie magic, and the car was actually being pushed, which I think is hilarious, but it also shows how good of a car it was, that just on the flat, one gal can just give the car a push and have it roll the way that it did. So I'm excited to be here. I'm hoping to get to shoot a lot of interviews and bring this to you who aren't able to be here. But I'm glad to be here. Thank you so much to the folks who made donations to help pay for food and lodging and things so that I could be here. Thank you so much, I very much appreciate it. And check out all the other videos. I've been shooting videos about the Tesla trip out here. I'll probably do a little bit of that on the way back. And a few days after the event, keep in mind I need time to get home and do some editing and everything. But until next time, stay charged up.